Traders everywhere, if you're watching this video, we are going to walk you through the latest The Leap competition, this time sponsored by Pepperstone. Now, many of you know Pepperstone already, a leading brokerage, and they are integrated into the TradingView platform, which means you can connect your Pepperstone account to your TradingView account. Now, The Leap is a paper trading contest. That's right. No money required, no deposits. It is like a video game. It is a virtual trading contest. You get fake money deposited into your paper trading account, and then you trade for an entire month to see if you can come in first. Also, keep in mind that in this contest, you are competing for a share of a $25,000 prize pool. I just got to say that again. $25,000 prize pool. That's right. You have a chance to win real cash in this paper trading competition if you can trade better than everyone else. In addition, there are 206-month plan extensions. So if you have a premium plan and you place in the contest within this range, you could win a 6-month complimentary premium plan subscription. This is The Leap, sponsored by Pepperstone, going live very soon. Now, the landing page you want to go to is tradingview.com/the-leap. Hover over community, click The Leap, and you can get started. When you're ready, click Join The Leap, and then you're in the contest. There are over 4,000 traders signed up already. Now, as you get started, be sure you read the terms and conditions. This is essential. Also, scroll down this page to see all the fine details, as well as to read frequently asked questions and read about previous contests. This is such a great way to learn if you read about previous contests. This gives you the opportunity essentially to learn from others. In fact, at the bottom, there are some really cool stories and anecdotes from other traders talking about what they learned, how much fun they had, and essentially why you should give this contest a try. So this is the newest The Leap competition starting in April. April 1st it begins, sponsored by Pepperstone. Now please do keep in mind that you want to click Join The Leap and then ensure that you have your paper trading account connected and ready to go. Also, keep in mind to read where you are located in the world, because this contest, due to regulations, is not for traders in the US and Canada. You won't be able to join. But for everyone else, click Join The Leap and go get started. Join the competition, trade from April 1 to April 30, rank in the top 250 to win. Also, in this contest, there are just 10 symbols that you can trade. Hong Kong 50, USD JPY, Euro US dollar, Ethereum US dollar, spot crude, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, BTC USD, Solana US dollar, Australian US dollar, US 100 cash CFD, gold spot US dollar, German 40 index, and British pound US dollar. Also keep in mind that some of these symbols are CFDs, so this video is also going to explain that to you, in a very, a simple, concise way. So let's get started by, how about we go to the NASDAQ 100 CFD chart. So I'm going to go ahead and open this symbol up here. Let's get this going. Let's get this walkthrough really cooking now. And I can just click C on super charts here, but I'll load this up in a brand new tab right here. And now, as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, I have got the US 100 cash CFD from Pepperstone right in front of me. Now, this is also the part of the video where I want to make sure I remind you, you must click the paper trading button at the bottom of your chart to get started. I'm going to log out of my paper trading account so you can see this walkthrough start to finish. Now, this contest takes place on the chart. People have asked us, how do you get in? How do you get started? You have to get to the chart, just as I demonstrated. Then, you've already joined the contest, click Trading Panel at the bottom. After that, you will see this wonderful pop-up, The Leap by Pepperstone. You know it's live now. You can also click Learn More to learn even more. What's really important here is that there is a paper trading button. You want to click this paper trading button. After all, this is a virtual trading competition. It's like a video game. It's not real money. It's paper trading. So we click paper trading. We click connect. Now we are so close to getting started, but this is one of the most important details that we have to tell you. Where it says account, The Leap, you must make sure you click the drop down and have The Leap selected. Super important feature here to keep in mind. All of your trades must happen from the Leap account. If you use one of your other paper trading accounts, for example, I have this scalping account, well, the contest just won't get the trades. They won't register them. You must ensure you click the drop down, then click the Leap. Now you have this paper trading account open. This is the Leap account. You can see it right there. Can't miss it. And now we can place trades directly on the chart utilizing one of the 10 symbols that we already demonstrated. Now, keep in mind, this is a CFD product, this NASDAQ 100 CFD. CFD stands for contract for difference. This means you are trading a contract. You aren't actually buying the underlying symbol. You are trading a contract and a right to that symbol. And contract for difference means you get the difference, whether it's a gain or a loss, from where you bought it at and where you sold it at. So in this example, we have got the US 100 cash CFD right here. And let's say we decided to, let's go to a 1 minute chart. Let's say we decided to buy right here at the bottom, right there. And then all of a sudden it went higher. Well, it's a CFD, it's a contract for difference. We bought the contract here. We're going to sell it here. We capture the difference. In that case, it's a gain. The opposite is true, though. If we bought there and then it went down, well, we bought the contract here, sold it here. The difference there is a loss. This is a contract for difference, CFD. You are trading the difference in the price you bought it at and the price that you sold it at and the price you sold or covered at. You are essentially trading that difference. Now, another key feature to keep in mind is that Pepperstone does have a list of symbols for you specifically on TradingView, and you can actually see all that Pepperstone offers by just typing this into the search box, Pepperstone. It's pretty fantastic. So, of course, this contest is just for those 10 symbols, but keep in mind that Pepperstone brings in a lot of data into the TradingView platform and also has plenty of capabilities. You can see it all right here as we scroll down. And you can also read about these assets here: Index CFD, Commodity CFD, Forex, Index CFD, Index CFD. You get the idea. So you can see the different types of symbols and contracts they have right here before your eyes by typing in Pepperstone just like this. So when you're ready to get going, you've got your contract for difference open. And then, very important tip here is you must understand the different ways you can place a trade. Now, there's a trade button at the bottom of the chart. Go ahead and click that, and your paper trading order ticket will open up like this. I'm actually going to switch my accounts really quick because this contest hasn't started yet. So I want to make sure I can show this to you right here from the chart. I click trade, and here you are. I have a buy and a sell option. Market, limit, stop. I also have these wonderful take profit and stop loss capabilities. This means before I enter the trade, I define my risk. Where am I going to sell to take a profit? Where am I going to sell to minimize my loss? All of these features are here, and if you want a very detailed walkthrough about these trading capabilities, be sure to head to our help center where you can read all about every feature available to you. And on our YouTube channel, we have walkthroughs about this trading ticket and order panel as well. So we've got buy, we've got sell, market orders, limit orders, stops. In addition, you can type in your price, the units you want to buy, define your risk, take profit, stop loss. So this is very important to understand. In fact, before the competition begins with Pepperstone, you probably want to just take this paper trading tool for a quick test run to ensure you fully understand it. Now, a few other quick things to keep in mind as we get started with this contest is that when you open up your paper trading panel here, be sure to make sure you have a good feel for your positions, your orders, your history, your account history, and your trading journal. Because as you get started with this contest, you'll be able to track all of your trading, all of the things that you do on the chart, all of the things that you want to achieve in this contest. It's also important that you get a good feel for reading through the stats up here. So these stats up here at the top are effectively going to tell you how you're performing: your account balance, your equity, your realized P&L, your unrealized P&L, account margin, available funds, and orders margin. So get in there and make sure you also explore these tools because this is a 30-day contest. You want to be patient, prepared, and ready. And the best way to do that before, you join in and try to claim a piece of that $25,000 prize pool, you get familiar with this product and tool so that you can use it to the best of your advantage. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This is the start of our next The Leap competition starting in April. This competition is sponsored by Pepperstone. As mentioned, they are an integrated broker. There will be different asset classes that you can trade within these 10, including Forex pairs, CFDs as well. And this is now your time to get in and to try to place in this contest for a piece of this $25,000 prize pool. So thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see how everyone trades. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We look forward to seeing how everyone trades.